But when I got home, about a little over a week after I got back, Bob and I lost an extremely dear friend of ours. Bob's known her a lot longer than I have, but Ruthie was certainly one of Bob's best friends and one of my best friends as well. And I'm really happy to say, because Ruthie's husband Jim came tonight, and we've got this whole front row is people that knew Ruthie for years and years and years. And Ruthie passed away very suddenly. She went the way that all of us would like to go. She laid down to take her afternoon nap, which was normal for her, and she went. And we should all be so lucky, I think, to be able to go that way. So this happened just about a week, a little over a week after I got back from my trip. So tonight, the song I'm going to do then, because you guys are second to the last. I get two more. Okay, so we're going to do this one. This is a song that I think really, I just think that this is a good song for me to do for Ruthie. And so it's a beautiful song called Agate Hill. Oh, you weary, restless heart, peace come to you now. Still your wild and wishful soul, calm your troubled brow. Loose your crippled body's ties, let your spirit soar. Friends and loved ones guiding you to new freedom shore. Think of when you were a child, dreams unbound by pain, climbing up the Agate Hill, wild and free again. It will be as then. Your mama's watching over you, even from afar. All your children now are here with you in your hour. Oh, the words we've left unsaid flood into my soul, and I know you hear them now, even as you go. Think of when you were a child, dreams unbound by pain, climbing up the Agate Hill, wild and free again. Oh, it will be as then. Climbing up the Agate Hill, it will be